Hello eco-warriors, welcome back to Soil Books where we explore simple ways to live sustainably and protect our planet. Today, we're diving into the unexpected benefits of composting you didn't know about. By the end of this video, you'll be amazed at how composting can transform your life, so let's get started. Compost. It may appear to be a humble mixture of organic scraps, but within this unassuming substance lies the very essence of life. Compost improves soil structure, creating spaces for air and water to flow freely, allowing roots to reach deep and flourish. This enhanced soil acts like a sponge, retaining moisture and ensuring that your plants have access to the lifeblood they need to thrive, even during drier periods. Compost is a treasure chest of essential nutrients, a balanced diet for your plants. As organic matter breaks down, it releases a symphony of nutrients, fueling their growth and vitality. With compost enriching your soil, your plants will reward you with bigger blooms, healthier foliage, and a vibrancy that will make your garden the envy of the neighborhood. In today's world where every penny counts, composting emerges as a champion of thrift. By transforming kitchen scraps and yard waste into this gardener's gold, you'll unlock a world of savings. Gone are the days of expensive chemical fertilizers, for compost provides a natural and sustainable alternative. And as your garden flourishes with the help of compost, you'll find yourself needing less store-bought soil, stretching your budget even further. When organic waste languishes in landfills, it becomes a breeding ground for methane, a potent greenhouse gas. By composting, you divert organic waste from landfills, reducing methane emissions and taking a stand against climate change. It's a simple act with a profound impact, a testament to the power of small changes. Water, the elixir of life, is a precious resource, and in a world facing increasing water scarcity, it's our responsibility to conserve it wherever we can. Composting emerges as a powerful ally in our quest for water conservation. Imagine compost as a network of tiny sponges, each particle capable of holding onto moisture, preventing it from evaporating into the atmosphere. When you add compost to your garden soil, you're essentially creating a water reservoir beneath the surface, ensuring that your plants have access to a consistent supply of hydration. This means less frequent watering, a welcome relief for both your plants and your water bill. With compost working its magic, your garden will thrive with less water, allowing you to conserve this precious resource without compromising the health and vitality of your plants. Beyond the garden's edge, composting extends its beneficial reach into the very heart of our homes and our health. It's a gentle nudge towards a healthier lifestyle, encouraging us to make choices that benefit both our bodies and the planet. With a compost bin standing ready to receive kitchen scraps, we're inspired to embrace a diet rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Gardening itself, with compost as our trusted companion, becomes a therapeutic escape, a chance to reconnect with nature and reap the rewards of physical activity. The simple act of digging in the soil, planting seeds, and nurturing life has a profound effect on our well-being. It's a natural stress reliever, a mood booster, and a reminder that we are part of something larger than ourselves. As we've journeyed through the world of composting, we've uncovered a treasure trove of benefits, from supercharged gardens and reduced waste to water conservation and improved health. So I encourage you to embark on your own composting adventure. Start small, with a simple compost bin in your backyard. Embrace the learning process, experiment with different materials, and watch in awe as nature works its magic. Share your composting journey with your friends, family, and neighbors. Spread the word about the transformative power of this ancient practice, and together, let's create a greener, healthier, and more sustainable world. Join the composting revolution today, and let's cultivate a brighter future, one compost pile at a time. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found these composting tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Together, we can reduce waste, protect the planet, and grow healthier gardens. Also, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos. Until next time, stay green, keep composting, and remember, small actions can make a big difference. See you soon.